plant therapy. Guess who got plant mail? Yes, indeedy. These two beauties came from PlantLifeLex. Thank you, Lex. Very beautiful. Late birthday treat to myself. Actually, my mother gave me some birthday money, and I went on to PlantLifeLex to see what she had. Actually, I watched the video on YouTube. You know, she's got that YouTube channel. If you haven't checked her out, you really should. This is a Hoya Sarawak cream. Isn't that gorgeous? So beautiful. Wish list plants for me right here. And this is the Burley Marks variegated. Yeah. Tell you, you know, if you watch any of my Dutch plant farm videos, you know that I go and visit those beautiful, I think there might be more than one in there, Burley Marks plants they have in that terrarium. Oh my God, talk about gorgeous. Yep, I've been eyeing that philodendron for a while. I can't afford the one they have in the cabinet or either one of them. And they haven't sold them either. They've been sitting there. But so beautiful and have grown. Like, of course, those conditions, they are beautiful. I mean, perfect. You have the water feature right near there. And that provides all that humidity in there. And then they're also in the terrarium. So grown beautifully. Now I'm praying that I don't lose variegation. There's a lot of variegation in this. She had a couple and I didn't know which one to go for. I finally just settled on this one and I'm very happy. Thank you, Lex. Very nice of you. I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna make a mess. I'll take that off later. And this Sarawak. I have been eyeing this, but look at the size of these leaves. This one feels really soft. So I am going to water this. I think it's definitely ready for some water. The leaves were pretty cold. They're starting to warm up already. Yeah. Isn't that beautiful? So gorgeous. Thank you, Lex. Very happy. Very, very happy. And hopefully they'll be happy in my care. I'll keep you guys posted. And that is it. Just wanted to share this quick haul with you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.